Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to resolve the problem of your business manager or other account being disabled. As you can see, it says, we noticed some unusual activity on this business account and have restricted its access to advertising. So I just created the new business manager and I'm trying to go and send my other account, and all of a sudden my business manager is restricted. So don't worry, if you have this problem, I will help you to be able to get a solution. So first of all, you will click on request review. Okay. Then it will tell you that request review, if you believe your business account shouldn't be restricted. Then it will say, help us confirm it is you, verify, continue. So you put a number, they will send you a code. Then after that, you put a code there and click on continue. They will ask you to upload an image of your ID card. So you upload the ID card and then, but before you upload the ID, I forgot something very important. One thing you need to do is you have to come to your Facebook account settings. Make sure that you change your details. That's your name, your first and last name, to match with your actual details. Go to settings and privacy. From there, you go to settings. From there, you go to personal details. And then you see profile. Then you see name. So you make sure that your first and last name matches exactly with the one on your ID. Then you go to personal details. You see date of birth. Make sure that then the date of birth matches exactly with your correct date of birth. After that, you come back and click on continue. Also remember to check the gender as well. If the gender is not the same as what is on your ID, make sure you correct it, gender. So after that, see this one, like they are saying within, they say you hear from us within 48 hours. So you close it. And then normally when you refresh, I don't get what's happening, but it seems the review was okay. Okay. Request for review. You hear from us within 48 hours. Okay. So we wait within 48 hours and see what will happen. When they reinstate it, within, and normally it takes like, this one takes like 5 minutes. There are different types of restrictions. If it were the one that, this is not an actual restriction, it's just security risk they are suspecting. They are suspecting some suspicious activity, but it's not an actual policy violation. So normally this one doesn't take long. So let's wait within a few minutes and see whether they will reinstate it or not. Okay, so this one I have waited for about 5 minutes. The account is still not reinstated. So normally what we do is sometimes, in fact, they themselves have stated that it takes 48 hours. Only that sometimes it takes less than the 48 hours. So what I would say is, if you wait for up to 48 hours and you don't get a solution, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can leave your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp link and the Telegram links to contact us, and we'll be able to reach out to you to help you get a solution. We charge very affordable prices and you can get your solution. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.